Hi guys, welcome back here to another video, and today in this video we are going to look at how to speed run. So with that said, let's get started. Speed run. Speed run is when a footage starts at a low speed and then ramps up to a faster pace, vice versa, and also starting maybe at a high pace and then ramping down to a slow pace compared to its original state. Without said or out of the way, let's get started. Here on the source monitor we have some footage. I'll scrub through it and select for the best part of the footage. Then I'll mark my in points and out points, and after that then drag the footage to the timeline. So after dragging it to the timeline, let us play it one more time and see how it looks like. Yes, it's slow and nice. So what I'm going to do is zoom in into the clip. So what I'm going to do next is, with this little dial, I'm going to zoom in. After zooming in, then also go to my left, drag up the track line so that we get a better view. Click on the FX, select speed, and then select scrub through to get a point where I can speed ramp. Hit P on my timeline then I'll hit P to set my in points where the speed ramp will begin, and then drag the footage up to 700%. So after dragging it to 700%, with this little dot, I'll drag it out, to get a nice gradual smooth graph. And then with that, click on one of the one of the points, then drag it the other side so that you get a smooth gradual change in the speed, so that it's smooth, not rough. And then I'll do the same thing that I've done on that side, on the end. Select a point, drag it up to 700%. So drag this to the other side, select, and then set my curves, and then voila, we have a ramped up speed, something coming from a high speed to a slow speed, and then there we have it. So guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, smash it Peter McKinney style, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.